Upgrade your Dodge Ram with the Fitcamx dash cam from Aliexpress, designed specifically for Ram 1500, 2500 and 3500 models from 2019 to 2024, and compatible with Tungsten, Longhorn, Bighorn, Laramie, Tradesman, and Rebel trims, including future models up to 2026. This advanced dash cam blends seamlessly with your vehicle's interior for a factory look while delivering cutting-edge performance. Capture every detail with stunning 4K ultra-high-definition resolution powered by an advanced Novatech chip and an f1.6 aperture lens for superior night vision. Wide dynamic range technology ensures clear footage in all lighting conditions, from bright sunlight to dark nights, making license plates and road signs easy to read. The 170-degree wide-angle lens provides comprehensive coverage of the road ahead. Installation is effortless thanks to the plug-and-play design, with multiple power options to suit your setup. The hidden mount keeps your dashboard clean and stylish. Enjoy smart features like loop recording, which automatically overwrites old footage when storage is full, and AG sensor that locks important clips during sudden impacts for added security. Stay connected with built-in Wi-Fi for easy access to videos on your smartphone, and optional rear camera support for complete coverage. The dash cam records at 30 frames per second for smooth playback and supports Class 10 memory cards for reliable performance. Whether you're driving through city streets or on long road trips, this dash cam ensures peace of mind and safety. Upgrade your Dodge Ram with the Fitcamx 4K dash cam from Aliexpress. Order now and experience premium video quality, advanced safety features, and effortless integration with your truck.